viewers of the top-rating Dolce Amore were given one musical treat as the teleserye stars started their world tour in Luneta with one kilig sound trip with a detour. The Kapamilya top-rating teleserye Dolce Amore kickstarts their Destiny tour by bonding with our Kapamilyas at the Lapu-Lapu Shrine at Luneta Park.
I'm just happy lahat ng tao pumunta. Kanina pang naghihintay mga 11 sobrang init sa labas. So, kita nito yung pagmamahal nila sa suporta sa Dolce Amore. So, maraming salamat po. First leg namin of the Destiny tour.
Natutuwa po kami kasi ibig sabihin lahat yun fans ng Dolce Amore tsaka talagang nanonood. And it feels really good na maraming sumusuporta po sa show namin kasi syempre gabi-gabi po pinaghihirapan po namin pagandahin yung show for them. So we're just happy that all the hard work's paying off.
Everybody was screaming their hearts out as they cheered on for Tenten and Serena, who are as sweet off-cam as they are on-cam. At the backstage of the detour, Mateo was there to show everyone how sweet Liz Ken are off-cam. Cinema News puts Enrique and Liza on the hot seat as we grilled them about their exclusive friendship. On the heels of the JD Love team admitting their off-cam romance, is Liz Ken ready to take their relationship to the next level?
Pagbalik namin na Italy, di ba?
Ano?
Bumili na, finally.
Ay, hindi ko alam sa'yo. Ano ka ba?
Ano pa naman? Darating na yun.
Darating din yan.
For now, the two continue to enjoy each other's company, especially during their shoot in Italy.
Grabe yung pagmamahal na pinapakailan nung take kami dun sa Italy. Yung mga tao dun sobrang solid sila dun. Kahit saan humaabot talaga kasi nanonood talaga sa amin. Habang nagtatake, kahit sobrang lamig na sa labas, nasa loob kami yung restaurant sila. I mean, they'd rather be home. Pero paglabas mo, ang dami na. So,
Nakakatuwa kasi parang feeling namin international stars kasi syempre may mga tagahanga sa ibang country. Pero masasabi ko lang iba talaga yung mga Pinoy. Basta Pinoy, parang may connection na talaga kagad. So talagang they go out of their way just to see us and visit us.
Last week, Enrique cleared the air about the controversial viral photo of his hand allegedly on Liza's chest. Now, Liza shares her thoughts on the issue.
Sa akin lang ginawang big issue, like some websites posted pictures of the photo that was scattering around, pero merong ding photo from the other angle showing the truth behind it. At saka, I don't know why, lalagyan ng mali siya. Like, we wouldn't do that in a public place lalo. We wouldn't do it talaga kahit saan kami, so I don't know why kailangan lagyan ng mali siya. He was just protecting me from people grabbing. Kasi whenever we go on tours or something, when there's a lot of people, they tend to grab me in my chest area. So he was just covering from them grabbing it. Sabi pa nila nakasimangot ako kasi hinawakan niya, tapos tuwang-tuwa pa siya.
As a teaser for their avid viewers, Tenten and Serena leave promises for more kilig and juicy scenes for the coming weeks of Dolce Amore.
Maraming revelations mangyari, maraming magkakakitaan na.
Nasabi niya na wala na akong masasabi, basta maraming revelations.